So we are in room 11.
393.
393, thank you. All right, so as you can see, Jamie's standing in front of the door. So if you walk in the door, there's your light switch. And your light switches, well, this is the room key light switch.
It's
and then
about 10
Here's our thermometer.
deep.
It is one of the oddly shaped rooms, okay? So I'm gonna stay with my back to the door.
It's not a thermometer, it's a thermostat.
Oh, thermostat, okay. So right here is your bathroom door. I've got my back to the door. Right here is your bed. It's a square shaped room.
It is definitely a square shaped room, and it is 10 feet deep, approximately.
And over here, next to the bed, is your closets. And then, like I said, here's your bathroom. Right here's the front door, or the entry door, and here's your bathroom. So we'll take a look at the bathroom. I mean, this is going to be your standard Mardi Gras bathroom, okay? With your towels, your toilet, your sink, and your glass shower pod, right? With the weird opening action door, right? Okay. So that's all kind of standard. But I'm gonna try to film from inside the bathroom out. But okay, so like I said, there's the bed, and here's this kind of long little counter, and here's our L-shaped counter, right? And there's our TV and our mirror, and of course there's the entry door, just so you can kind of get an idea what you're working with. There's the refrigerator. Looks like we've got 3 drawers. Looks like 1 and then 3 deeper, two deeper drawers, TV. Looks like there's 2 shelves.
There's also storage in this.
There's storage in the little bench thing. You can sit on it, you can store on it, you can do whatever you want. And there's a giant vanity mirror. As far as power solutions, move Jamie's drink. Ooh, that blew the camera out. Okay. So you got 1, 2, 3 US 115 plugs and 1, 2, 3, 4 USB plugs. Get your bottle of water that is not free. You've got your
depending on what loyalty you are, it might be free.
Our Carnival paperwork. And let's see, let's look next to the bed. Oh, she already opened the closet for us. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So here's our closet. It's actually 3 doors. 1, 2, 3. So starting here to the left, you got a hanging bar. You've got these drop down shelves. So if you don't have hanging stuff, you can use it as a shelf.
Show them the shoe caddy at the bottom.
Okay. Alright. But if you got hanging stuff, you can put that up and you scroll down. You got this one right here. Also lifts up if you have really long hanging stuff. And then right here you've got a shoe drawer. Wow. Put your shoes in. You've got 2 of these wire rack drawers. You got your safe, so you can keep your stuff safe. You've got a place to hang
Lots of hangers.
short hanging stuff. Yeah, we've got at least 25 hangers.
And there's more hangers in the next one.
Okay, so that's cabinet 1 and 2 right here. And then here's cabinet 3. Again, you've got lots of hangers and a hanging thing. Again, fold the shelf. So you can lift it up or leave it down. And again, right here, that's another shelf that can drop down. And more storage. You got full-length mirror on the inside of your cabinet. Why? So you can see yourself.
So this is really not normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
This
Next
isn't
to the
what
bed.
you would expect. But watch
Your
this.
nightstand.
There's a USB,
Okay. and then watch.
and then watch.
Ooh.
And you can
It's a swivel reading light.
Yep.
Look at that.
And it turns off when you
Fancy.
push it in.
So fancy. And
look,
USB next to the bed. And what's this?
these.
Light switches. So you can lay in bed and turn off the lights. You don't have
And
to
there's
get
a
up.
ledge back there.
There is. Yeah, so behind the bed, y'all. It's going to be kind of hard to see. I'm going to try to show you. But I'd say it's about maybe 3 or 4 inches wide. So you can set your phone back there. So you can plug your phone into the USB right here. And then you could set it on this little ledge.
That's what I'll be doing.
And that's on both sides. It's exactly the same. And you can see it's over there as well. So there you go. This is a cabin tour for cabin
393.
It's like I said, it's an odd shaped cabin. So yeah, if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Don't cost you a dime, and it helps the channel out so much. And we would certainly appreciate it. And until next time, y'all, keep living that vacay life. Bye.